Are you following my hand? Okay. Walang naman. Walang naman. And... Sabi nila, mga magicians daw, meron din mga favorite animal. Ano ba yung favorite animal ng... Can you guess my favorite animal? Rabbit! Okay, you want to see a rabbit? Sino gusto ng rabbit? Okay, now, this time, okay, first of all, let's make that rabbit here, right now. Say rabbit! Okay, use your magic hand. I'll teach this side will do the magic, and I'll teach how to use the magic hand. Say rabbit! Rabbit! Got rabbit? Okay, that's white as ever. Everybody say rabbit.